How to delete Netflix history. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. And if you're trying to delete your Netflix history, you're watching the right video because I'm exactly going to show you the process of it. Now before we begin the video, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos similar to this. The way that you delete your history on Netflix is through the website of netflix.com. You cannot do it within the app of Netflix. So just open up your web browsers and search for netflix.com. Once you search it, you'll land on its website. You'll again need to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, tap on the three lines which you see on the top left and a menu will open up. Tap on the account. From the Accounts tab, you just scroll down and under Profile and Parental Controls, just tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, you can see a couple of options on the bottom. Tap on Viewing Activity and here it's going to show you all of your watch history. Now either you can remove them individually or if you want you can also remove all of them at once. To delete them individually, just tap on this icon right here, which is this icon on the top right. If you tap on it, that particular watch history will be removed. But if you want to delete them all at once, tap on Hide All and tap on Yes. This way your history or your watch history on Netflix will be removed. So that was the process. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.